Gross international reserves, or GIR, including gold, are held and managed solely by the BSP for the foreign exchange requirements of the country. When BSP sells gold, the proceeds revert to and stay within the GIR. Last year, GIR rose to $106.3 billion from $103.8 in 2023. Similar to other central banks, BSP maintains a portion of its reserves in gold as part of the country's GIR, mostly to hedge against offset movements in the market price of other assets. It buys or sells gold to maintain an optimum level for this purpose. Not too big, not too small. Gold prices tend to move in the opposite direction of other assets. Therefore, central banks hold some gold as a hedge against huge declines in other assets in the reserves. However, gold prices can be volatile, earns little interest, and has storage costs.
Ibig sabihin ba, na mamahalan kayo sa storage cost kaya nyo ibinenta, kaninong bulsa kaya napunta? Di ba nakakapanghinayang kung makikita nyo ang presyo ng ginto ngayong 2025?
Central banks don't want to hold too much. So yan po ang statement ng BSP.